get over here, get over here. You want something better. Hold on, hold on.
Little ride early morning before we hit the body shop. Let's take the Z once more. We're back at the body shop. We're at the body shop. They're gonna check on my car. We're gonna see if it's fixable, repairable. I don't know if it is to them. I hope so. We're gonna do some business soon. Let's get some meds in. All front. Okay, hard. So we are gonna install this HKS right in there. And we're gonna see how it sounds. I'm with the Homes 8KS resonators sitting for about, I don't know, like since I got the car probably. How long have I had those sitting?
Since you got the car? Literally like the week after you got the car, you want to go pick them up. And they just been sitting.
Yeah, so. And today was my day off, so if I don't make any moves today, then they'll just still be sitting. Sounds like it. Here we are, installing the new HKS exhausts.
Hopefully you get some bangs out of it.
Hopefully. I do want it to pop at least. A little, at least. But also if I had...
Easier if you just welds it on?
Huh?
You think it'd be easier if you just welds it?
You think it should?
Wouldn't it?
Alright, so we got the stock resonator off. So far, this is how it looks inside of here. HKS, and we got the stockies. And if anybody has a single piece drive shaft that's willing to sell it to me, I'd be willing to buy it. can't wait for the outcome of this bad boy. He's an expert, guys, so he doesn't need a mask. But you know what? He's about to put one on. He's about to put a mask on.
Me?
Not him. It is super bright.
None of that COVID bullshit.
No, not a mask for him. A mask for the whales, you. Yeah, look there it is. Alright guys, so it's pretty much in. Now they just need to weld the bottom parts. And should look good. Shout out to the mans. Last time I came here, to be honest, they didn't want to work on it. But this guy put in work. And fun fact, we've actually brought some of our cars out here, huh? I know I brought 2 of my cars before this one.
I brought like 6, 7.
And they're all Z's?
Yeah, they're all Z's. Yeah, I remember bringing on I got my 2+2, my slick top.
Yeah, the slick top.
My white, yeah, my white NA.
Slick top. But HKS looking good. I should have spray painted it.
Where should go?
I have a leak, oil leak in my transmission.
That was dirty.
It's leaking, but I'm gonna change the trans anyways. So that's.
He got a zip tie. What the fuck is this connected to?
This is connected to this wire right here. But yeah. Sheesh, look at these welds. This guy did pretty good on these.
Yeah, what happens if I squeeze this hard enough, bro?
What,
bend?
You think you could bend it?
If I do, you can't get mad, right?
Can you?
Let's find out. If I can, you can't get mad. I'm gonna try right now.
Alright, go.
Alright, if I bend it, you can't get mad.
Alright, then go.
Imagine. That shit's hard as fuck.
I actually thought you were gonna be able to. I was a little scared. Alright guys, so we're doing the final touches on the last resonator. And after that, we'll see how it sounds. Put up. Pass the wallet?
Ready?
Yeah, go for it. Put on the exhaust, the HKS exhaust. Sound didn't really make much of a difference. It does sound a little, just slightly more rumbly, more deep. It does want to pop in some cases, but we're gonna have to take off our stock headers, and we're gonna have to take off our stock cats, and we're gonna possibly just straight pipe those and then keep the HKS cat back right there with the HKS resonators, and hopefully we could get a different sound. But as of right now, I'm going to the tire shop. My freaking tire is flat. There's a hole in there somewhere. I'm not sure what happened. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching once again. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And then until next time, we're gonna bring you some more new contents. Just give us some time. But we're cooking some things, all right? I already took my car to the collision center, so I actually did find one shop that's actually gonna help me fix that dent and possibly the scratches on the door. And then I just need to find the body shop that will fix my bumper, and then we're gonna get this whole thing painted, and it's just gonna be, and then we're also gonna fix that KBD bumper we have at home. And yeah, thank you guys for watching once again. Make sure you
No, get over here, get over here. You want something better?
That's fucking again, one more. That's fucking clean. What the fuck? The fucking power of
My fucking bike, bro.
that's clean. I didn't even know it. 777. Oh, it's gonna hit 8. Yeah, guys, I'm driving super slow.